Hello, my dear learners. Welcome back to the second day of our slow English shadowing practice. In the previous video, we practiced about morning activities at home. Today, we will practice English about getting ready and going to the office. So, don't go anywhere. Relax, listen carefully, and repeat 3 times after me. By the end of this video, you will feel like speaking English very fluently on this topic. So, our topic is getting ready and going to the office. Let's begin. Don't forget to repeat 3 times after me. Okay. At first, I finish my shower in the morning. Repeat 3 times. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Perfect. Repeat after me. I dry myself with a towel. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Perfect. Repeat after me. I apply a little perfume or deodorant. Hmm, 2, 3. Perfect. I feel fresh and confident. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Repeat after me. I choose my clothes. 1, 2, 3. Repeat after me. I iron my clothes if needed. Repeat after me. I iron my clothes if needed. 1, hmm, hmm. Perfect. I look at myself in the mirror. Repeat 3 times. Hmm, hmm. Perfect. Repeat after me. I feel ready for the day. Hmm, hmm. Perfect. Hope you are doing and enjoying. And we will continue doing it, right? So let's move on. Then I pack my office bag. Repeat. Hmm, hmm, hmm. That's great. Repeat after me. I put my documents in the bag. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Perfect. Repeat after me. I take my wallet and keys. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Well, that's great. Repeat after me. I check my phone battery. Hmm. Repeat. Perfect. Repeat after me. I make sure everything is ready. Hmm. 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 Repeat after me. I don't want to forget anything. Hmm. Two, three. Perfect. Repeat after me. I check the time again. Hmm. Two, three. Perfect. Repeat after me. I make sure I'm not late. Hmm. 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 That's great. So, I hope you are enjoying and practicing with me. Repeat after me. When I'm ready to leave home. Hmm. 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 Perfect. Repeat after me. I switch off the lights and the fan. Hmm. 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 Perfect. Repeat after me. I lock the door properly. Hmm. Hmm. Three. Perfect. Repeat after me. I say goodbye to my family. Hmm. 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 Perfect. Repeat after me. I step outside the house. Hmm. 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 Perfect. Repeat after me. I take a deep breath. Hmm. 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 Perfect. I start my journey to the office. Hmm. 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 Perfect. Repeat after me. Sometimes I walk to the main road. Hmm. 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 Perfect. Repeat after me. Sometimes I take a rickshaw, bus, or a car. Hmm. Hmm. Perfect. Repeat after me. I choose what is convenient for me. Hmm. Hmm. Perfect. I sit comfortably. Hmm. 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 Perfect. Repeat after me. I look around while traveling. Hmm. 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 Repeat after me. On the way, I see some people. Hmm. Hmm. Perfect. Everyone looks busy. Hmm. 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 I remind myself everything is under control. Hmm. 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 Repeat after me. While traveling, I use my time well. Hmm. 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 Repeat after me. While traveling, I listen to English shadowing practice. Hmm. 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 Perfect. Repeat after me. Slowly, I get closer to my office. Hmm. 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 Repeat after me. I feel prepared for my walk. Hmm. 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 Repeat after me. I feel relieved that I arrived on time. Hmm. 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 Repeat after me. I get down from the vehicle. Hmm. Hmm. Perfect. Repeat after me. I walk towards the office building. Hmm. 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 Repeat after me. I reach the office and enter the building confidently. Hmm. 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 Repeat after me. I go to my desk and I start my walk. Hmm. 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 Thank you very much for practicing with me today. You did a great job. Remember, speaking English is a daily habit, not a talent. Practice these sentences while getting ready for the office or while traveling. Tomorrow, we will continue with office conversations and workplace English. Until then, keep practicing, keep believing, and keep practicing. See you on day 3. Thank you.